how to make a split screen on TikTok. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up our TikTok. And from here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the plus button, okay? And from here, you're gonna see next to the recording icon, the upload. So I'm gonna upload, okay? And after I selected this video, you're gonna see an edit button right here at the top right. You're gonna see like a trim kind of a thing at the top right. So I'm gonna select on it. And from here, I'm gonna go ahead and add overlay, for example. So I'm gonna add another video. Let's say, for example, this one. And after I selected this video, you're gonna see right here, you won't see an option actually allows you to, to actually split that screen into like two screens to be able to publish it on TikTok. The old version of TikTok would allow you to, split screen during editing inside the TikTok, but the newest, the newest version actually removed that feature of splitting screen. So unfortunately for now, you can't do that. But alternatively, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen and you're gonna go ahead to the app called CapCut. And as you can see right here, this is the CapCut, and I'm gonna click new project, right? I'm gonna select, let's say for example, this video. And after I added this video, let me just mute it, okay? I'm gonna add overlay. Alright, and you're gonna see right here in the middle overlay, and I'm gonna add overlay. And let's set this video again. And after I added this video, okay, what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here the original video, okay? So I'm gonna click the original video, and you're gonna look for something. You're gonna swipe right, and you're gonna look for something called mask, okay? And from here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna split, okay? And as you can see right here, now you splitted this video, alright? And from here, I'm gonna select the the second video. All right, let's have an example like this. Right, I'm gonna just make it like this, or I can go ahead to the original video, sorry, and select the mask again, okay, and I'm gonna invert, right, and I'm gonna make it just like this, right, and I'm gonna make it smaller at least, okay, for the sake of this video, and I'm gonna make this one a little bit bigger, okay? And from here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead again to the mask, okay, and I'm gonna split, right? And you're gonna see right here, let me select a video like same size at least, like this one, okay? So like this, okay, and I'm gonna go ahead to the mask again, and I'm gonna just make it like this. I'm gonna go ahead to the original video again to the mask, and I'm gonna make it just like this, okay? It's not ideal, of course, because the size difference, but you can do it on your own time. But this is like a demonstration of what I'm trying to say, that you can actually do that outside of TikTok, okay? Let's say like this, okay? And I'm gonna make that, okay, like, let me, okay, this, okay? I'm gonna go ahead to the mask again. Let's say I'm gonna, make it something a little bit more like this, okay? And after you finish, you're gonna just upload the video, alright? And you're gonna wait. And after you finish, you're gonna hit done, and you're gonna go back to your screen, and you're gonna go ahead to the photo, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead right here to the video, and I'm gonna click edit again, and I'm gonna use the crop to make it a shape of social media kind of a thing. So I'm gonna select the icon at the top right here. You're gonna see it like multiple screens, and I'm gonna select wallpaper, and I'm gonna select this one, and I'm gonna let me just make it like this, okay? And as you can see, now this is the demonstration of how you can actually make split screen right here appropriate for social media. And after you finish, you can upload it to your TikTok or whatever social media. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.